is ADCB.
The metro is a great way to get around in Dubai if you're a woman. Anyway, it's our second and the last day in Dubai. We discovered some more interesting sides of the city. For example, a golden cheesecake factory, a skating rink in the Dubai Mall. A fast food restaurant claims to have the best burger in town. A Reese backpack in Hershey chocolate. I bought some spices from the supermarket, had the cheapest lunch we could find, then headed to the public beach. After feeding the seagulls, it was getting dark. But somehow we find a Christmas market in a nearby hotel. It has just about everything a Christmas market needs. A giant Christmas tree, gingerbread houses, some fake snow, and a warm drink. Black Forest? Yeah. Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here. Click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。